What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll explain how to claim the $30 bonus on XM trading in 2026 in simple terms, without overcomplicating things. The $30 bonus from XM is usually offered to new users as a no-deposit trading bonus. It's designed to let you try trading on the platform without putting your own money at risk. You can use the bonus to place trades, and while the bonus itself usually can't be withdrawn, any profits you make from it may be withdrawable once XM's conditions are met. To claim the bonus, you first need to create an XM trading account on their official website. Make sure you use real details and an email address you can access, because XM requires identity verification before activating promotions. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account. This usually means uploading an ID and proof of address inside the XM member area. Until your account is verified, the bonus won't be available. Once verification is complete, log into your XM member dashboard and check the promotions or bonuses section. If the $30 bonus is available in your region, you'll see an option to activate or opt in. After you accept the offer, the bonus is credited to your trading account. You can then start trading using the bonus funds. Just keep in mind that XM has specific rules around bonuses, including trading volume requirements and restrictions on withdrawals. Always read the bonus terms so you know exactly how profits can be withdrawn and what conditions apply. Availability can vary depending on your country, and promotions can change over time. So if you don't see the bonus right away, it may not be active in your region at that moment. And that's it. That's how the XM $30 bonus works and how you can claim it in 2026. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.